Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and show off one of our new universal aux plates and how to actually attach it to your pedal. Today I have an MXR bass synth for our sample pedal, and I've gone ahead and already removed the factory screws because we do include some longer screws to actually attach the aux plate to your pedal. So the first thing we need to do is identify where on this pedal the switch needs to plug into, and on this one it's on the side right here. And as I set the pedal on the plate, we're going to see that looks like I want to come out this front notch right there. Now, this jack isn't too far up the pedal. If I kind of plug this in and just take a peek at it, we're going to see that pretty quickly we want this cable to bend under the pedal, so we're going to keep that in mind as we run the wire. Now, our jacks do actually have a notch cut out in the physical jack itself right there, you can see, which allows us to have this cable kind of exit the jack a little faster without putting too much wear and bend on it, as if it was a longer jacketed cable. So we need this to come out right here on the side. We're going to give it just enough slack. That looks about good. Now we have all this extra cable here to burn. We can put a little bit back into the housing like that, you can see. And then this fun little maze on this pedal is for wasting extra cable. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of push this down, and there we go. So when we come out of the housing, we run through the maze a little bit, burn some of that extra cable, and come out exactly where we need. This results in a perfectly flush bottom of the housing. I'm going to go ahead and take my MXR bass synth. Be careful if you undid the bottom plate like I did. We're going to go ahead and plug this in to the pedal itself. Nice and plugged in. And then just pivot it down onto the plate. What this lets us do is make sure that all of that slack of this cable stays tucked inside the maze of the aux plate, with minimal cable actually showing out on the bottom here. We're going to go ahead and set this down. I'm only going to put in a couple of screws right now as a demo. Go ahead and put in this guy here. And this guy here. There we go. That is everything. We are done. We now have our fun little aux plate here. I'm going to go ahead and steal some power from one of my other devices, and we're going to demo it working. So here's our MXR bass synth. We've got our nice little tuck cable here, and on the MXR bass synth, pressing it once steps forward in the presets, pressing and holding scrolls backwards.